camera phone, start the Instagram live. Wear booty shorts.
Hey hun, good morning. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki Nicole and this is the Nikki Nicole Way. Sorry for my background noise. It's a lot going on. One, it's raining outside. They were cutting down trees around the corner, but I guess they stopped since it started raining. Then I'm cooking breakfast. I'm making hash browns, bacon, turkey bacon, eggs, and cinnamon raisin toast. And then I'm making lunch for my dude so he can take to work. I'm making him chicken tenders and a salad. So I have a lot going on right now. I have my mic connected. Hopefully that'll help the sound be a little bit more clear. And I said, let me rap to you guys. So today is actually going to be our first weekly vlog. Yay! I'm so excited. Bear with me while I'm still trying to figure things out, though. Trying to figure things out as far as the camera situation, the lighting situation. The camera just got out. I don't know. But we also have a lot going on this week as well. So one, we have to take these braids down like yesterday. So that's one thing on our agenda list. Taking these braids down. We have to prepare a meal prep plan since I'll be out of town. Not next week, but like in 2 weeks. It's actually kind of like a dual trip. I'll be going back to Atlanta, and then I'll be going on a girls trip. So stay tuned for that. Leave a comment where you think we might be going since it's October. And subscribe to my channel so you can catch the next video in any of my vlogs or anything that I post. Just subscribe and turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss anything. Yes, can I have a grande brown sugar oat shaken espresso with light ice, extra oat milk, stirred?
Anything else, please?
No, that'll be all. Oh, you know what? Let me get a cheese Danish, please. And can I have it toasted twice?
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, y'all. It is another day. And a full day at that. Right now, I am headed to... Uh-oh. Let's see, it's the sun. I just got off of Amazon for my first block. I'm headed to go drop my hair off. Yeah, I'm headed to go drop my hair off so the girl can prep my hair for it tomorrow. I get my hair done tomorrow for the trip. I went and got my nails done the other day, got my lashes done. So yeah, we're getting ready for vacation. I hope everyone is having a great day. I am in line to get my coffee because I need a little boost. I have another block coming up at 6:30. So yeah, it's gonna be a long night, but it's gonna be a good one. Hello. All right, I'm gonna use my app. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Can I have some napkins, please? Get this stuff out the way. Thank you. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Thanks. right, y'all. We got our coffee. Oh, that is so good, and I needed it. Let me know down below, like, what do y'all normally get from Starbucks? If y'all drink Starbucks. I know my mom don't really care for Starbucks because she said it's too strong. But I normally get, like, the blonde roast, so it's not that strong. But let me know what y'all get. And I'm going to holler at you guys a little later. My girl kills my hair. Vacation, who? Vacation ready. First stop in Kentucky. 6 more hours. Hey y'all, we have made it to Atlanta. Whew. Baby, that drive was no joke. I'm so tired. But we have things to do. I just went to my first doctor's appointment. I have my next appointment at 4 o'clock. So I just stopped for some Starbucks. I tried a new drink today. It looks so good too. Look at this. This is the grande. It's a grande size iced pecan crunch oat latte with light ice. It's really good. Yeah, it's really good. And I got a banana nut loaf warm. They didn't have any more cheese Danishes, so. This is really good. Yeah, I'm about to grab me a little snack. Eat this. Decompress a little bit. I got some not so great news at the doctor's this morning. So I had to come back for my follow-up because when I had went a couple months ago for my physical, he said that, what is this? Oh, my scarf. You know, when you're on a road trip, baby, head scarves, jackets, blankets be everywhere. Anyways, when I went for my physical a couple months ago, he said my pressure was reading kind of high. So he wanted me to come back and then check it again. So that's what I did, and it's still kind of high. So, which I don't understand why my pressure is high, because I feel like I eat fairly good. Like, I don't eat red meat. I don't eat pork. I don't even eat lamb no more. I gave up the lamb chops. So I feel like I eat fairly clean, so I don't know why my pressure is still up. Today it read 161 over 97, which could be the reason like why I have so many headaches. Even though they told me like I had migraines before, like my other doctor said I had like migraines or whatever. But I don't know. The doctor today said that that could be causing the headaches because my pressure is up or whatever. So I don't know. The first time it was like 148 over like 90 something. And then today it was 161. So yeah, so he's going to call in an order for me to take some blood pressure pills, which I don't want to take no pills. So if anyone has any type of recommendation as to how to get your blood pressure down or what to do, like I said, I don't eat red meat, I don't eat pork, I don't eat lamb. So if there's anything, I'm allergic to shellfish, so I can't have shellfish. But if there's anything else, like any other type of recommendation, like what y'all should like suggest besides like exercise, like I get it, I'm working on it again. I used to run like back in the day. I used to do like 5Ks and stuff like that, but it was a lot of pressure and tension on my knees, so I stopped. But I think I may get back into like walking and stuff like that and just doing like some light exercises to see if that would help. I mean, not only for my figure, but hopefully for the pressure wise too. So we'll see. But if y'all have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments and let me know. Well, off of that soapbox, I don't want to think about that no more. I don't want to think about it no more. So now, yeah, I'm about to go. It's kind of cloudy out here. It's supposed to rain. It's like a 35% chance of raining tomorrow. But I gotta go get this car cleaned from the road. You know, I got it cleaned before, but now we collect a lot of bugs on the windshield. So yeah, I'm about to go do that. And I'll tap in with you all later. But we're in Atlanta. Yes, let the vacation begin.
Underneath the setting sun, feel the rhythm, feel the fun. Take my hand, let's dance away. Tomorrow's just another day. We move, we groove, no time to waste. The music's got us in the day.
Oh, hey, hon. I just want to come on here and end today out. Today was a very full day of traveling. But yeah, I just got to the house. I took a shower, did my skincare. I'm about to do my homework, and then I'm about to get ready for bed and lay it down. It's still fairly early. I don't know. Let me see, what time is it? Oh, it's only 6:30. 6:31. I would say, yeah, we can still see. But daylight is still outside, but it's okay because I'm tired. So, stick around, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Good night. Hello everyone, good morning. So right now I am currently to get my emissions done, so I'll be able to renew my tag. I just left the dermatologist. Now I'm about to go get my eyebrows done. My next appointment is at 3 o'clock for my mammogram. Hey, hon. Okay, listen. I am just leaving my last appointment for today. Went and got the mammogram done. This was my very first mammogram. I will say that the experience was not as bad as people make it seem. I know they say like they smash our boobs and it hurt really bad. It didn't hurt, but it is an awkward position that they have you in just to get the images. I do have rings, so that wasn't a problem. Which I thought it was. Some people were saying you're gonna have to take them out, this, that, and the third. I didn't. She was able to still get the images with, you know, with them. That wasn't a problem, so that's good. The only thing I will say is don't come if you're PMSing. Don't do it. Schedule your appointment. She just told me maybe like a week after, because right now I am PMSing, so my boobs are a little tender. And so that was the part that was uncomfortable. So really I should have waited, but like I said, I didn't know what to expect really. So that's the tidbit I will say. If you have to get a mammogram, we'll just say you have to get it done once a year after you turn 40. So yeah, I'm telling my age. But I'm about to go grab some lunch for me and my dad. And then I'll be meeting up with the girls later on. I hope everyone is having a great day. And I will check back with y'all later. Love y'all. Best friend.
Well, y'all don't have to say, I'll take everything out of y'all was in there.
Okay, well, I'm gonna have it on my video. This is so cute. Aww.
Of course, I was good too. I didn't have to go anywhere. Best friend wanted to take a picture of it. We got a care pack. We got You don't have to take, I'm going to take everything and put it on the table.
This is so cute.
Best friend, you move your back.
Oh. Sorry. Oh my
That's
goodness.
for vomiting.
What's for vomiting?
The hair tie.
Somebody gonna be messed up.
Oh my
I'm still digging into my own. No, this is everything that's in there.
She's taking everything.
Wow.
Yeah.
Best friend, Dee Dee, it's your fucking birthday.
Thank you, best friend.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Today is the last day of our vacation prep vlog. It's travel time, baby. I'm about to get packed up. Yes, finish packing my things up. And then we're going to be going to the airport. So I just wanted to end this vlog off. Hope you like it. If you made it to the end, be sure to like, subscribe, comment where you think I'm going, or comment where you about to be headed. And I will see y'all in my vacation vlog.